know if there's anything else that we should be looking at. If you're looking at something that I'm not, just wanted to catch up. Oh, also, did you want to record this meeting?
Absolutely.
I like
We
that.
yes, we recorded it. Yeah, so basically, I went through some files. Is the same. So I'm going to finalize all of them, and so basically, you can send me the CSV file or Excel file. Doesn't matter what format is that, and I can compile all of them, like merge. And
Okay.
last time, the Dr. Freeman asked us to send this file to Pranav, so he can go through some files and based on his experience, tell us, is it a true sound?
Right.
Yes,
Okay.
that's
Okay.
it. Yeah, that's my point. And probably we can send it to him tomorrow.
Okay.
So we kind of have 1 day before our meeting, at least two before the meeting with the
Right.
computational experts. That's one point. And another point is so we still have to define where are the bases or all the calls. So we have to, and I actually applied for account at the library at Cornell, but they
Okay.
didn't reply me yet. I don't know. Maybe they won't because in this case you have to be a researcher within the Cornell education system.
Right.
So
But don't
probably
we have somebody who's from Cornell, right? Isn't Icha?
Not each. I guess it's Anthony, of the computational expert. Yeah, so probably we can ask them to help us. But
Okay.
let's see if we get any feedback from Cornell by Friday. If not, then we're
Right.
gonna ask the expert.
Okay.
So, and in our case, we still have to define the bases and calls. So, and we can do that by using our own model. That is kind of similar to the VerdNet, but it based only on the Humes-Wolver sounds. I can cut the sounds into 3 seconds, actually.
Okay.
I guess, and I can use the software. So we can get the audio files, 3 seconds each, and it will be just, let's say, yeah, the binary call and the bus. That's it, nothing else. So, and each sound will be 3 seconds. And in this case, we have our data set. It's not big, but we have what we have. And we can try to build up our own model to see um, how it works. That's it, probably.
Okay. Um, so that SharePoint that you sent me,
Oh,
I already put all of my files in there. So everything is done on that. Like all of the CSV files.
okay, perfect. So let me see. So look, all of them are in shared folder, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I separated them out, kind of like what we discussed in the audio files analysis for
Okay.
every, because you wanted me to, we decided I would do the evens, right? And then you would do the odds. So I went ahead and did
Yes,
all of
right.
them. Um,
Okay.
so
Yes.
they're all there. Yeah, like I did all of them whatever what day
Oh,
that was, like last week sometime, Friday or something.
okay, okay. Let
Um,
me check it out then. Okay.
but yeah, if you and I did it so like every recording is analyzed in a CSV, and then I also did combine. So like if you want to see every single one all in one CSV, there should be a combined folder in every or combined file, and that'll have every single, which is like thousands of lines
Yes.
because it's like right because it's three
Yes.
seconds. But
Yes, right. That's cool. So,
so that's all done. So all the audio analysis is done. So that's why I was just wondering if there's anything else I can do. Like, do we want to, like, I mean, maybe y- we could combine them, or I'm almost wondering if we should maybe consolidate.
you know what I'm doing? So like these files, so you have the metadata, right? So like the everything, and we got the um coordinates from Pranav yesterday, the altitude, the longitude, and also the elevation. So probably I can upgrade the CSV file with those three columns. So it also gives us like the some features that will be helpful for the analysis.
Yeah, sure. And if you need help, because it's like, how many files? There's like roughly like 200 and something per folder, and then there's 10 folders. There's like 2,000 lines of.
Okay,
So it's just
one
like
second.
yeah. So if you want help with that, I'm happy to help. I don't want you sitting there doing all
Um,
that.
okay, you know what? Let me just take a look and
Yeah,
'cause-
you take a look and you also add your files to the audio files, the BirdNet analysis, right?
I'm going to find it because like I'm running on my laptop and then I'm adding up on the today
Okay.
shared folder. Yes,
Okay.
absolutely. Yeah, and let me check it out tonight because I'm about to leave like in 20 minutes.
Yeah,
And
sure. There's no rush or anything. I just once we have all of them, then we can look at the elevation and then I can
it's actually quite simple. I can just write run the code in Python and it will be
Oh,
just
okay.
yeah. So it's
Okay.
not that kind of manual stuff. So it's gotta be like the whole file, and then you just go through the Python, just like just adding up these columns. I mean, not the columns, but the features, and that's it. It's not
Okay.
like just like like as they open up the spreadsheet and you just adding up. No, it's not.
Hmm.
It's not how
Okay.
it works
Okay, if it's
today.
easier, then yeah, that's fine. I don't, yeah. Okay. While
Yeah.
you're doing that, can you remove the file column?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay,
That
great. That'd
there
be
is
helpful.
no need.
Because I was like,
Yes,
and when you finish that, can you send me how you did it? 'Cause
absolutely.
just for my own knowledge, because that'd be interesting to know.
Yes,
Um,
absolutely. Yes. So
there's
it's gotta be the
also,
Python code. Yes,
yeah.
just dropping the column, adding up. So like in this case, we have the table with the coordinates Pranav told us, and we merging it like like left,
Hmm.
right, doesn't matter, and then we adding up the features.
Okay. In the meantime, I'm gonna look into this train feature on BirdNet. Did you look at that? There's like this,
Yes.
so I'm curious to know how that works. If we add some like you said, 3 seconds of the Humes and see what it does.
Uh, let's try it out. I mean,
Yeah, I
that's
just
it.
figured why
That's
not? Like,
Yeah,
um,
that's kind of okayish, I would say. But us being a researcher, right? Like me and you being a researcher, so we
mhm.
kind of have to, like based on the academic standards, right? We have to build up something on our own.
Right, right, right.
So we have to show that we done something that, let's say, improve the model or
Mhm,
like something else. So we can absolutely try it out through the BirdNet. And they have the training set. Like I mean, like we can train,
mhm.
but we can we still, I believe, if we have time, and I guess we're okay, we have to build up our own model and run through it. Even
Right.
even the metrics, the outcome could be not that good as a BirdNet, or maybe it's
Mhm.
better. But we, in our paper, we show that we built up
Right,
the
that we
model and
built it up.
we
Right.
went through all the files, and that's the metrics. Probably, if the metrics are not well enough, in our opinion, the evaluation is not really good today. So we can, let's say, write down the future steps. Okay, what we shall do. Let's say they increase the training data set or run some other models. So we can do like as the next step, like for the next, let's say, research project. but basically we have to do something else on our own.
Right, right, right.
If we have time and skills. So we don't have to, just like to overwhelm ourselves and just like,
Right, 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 right. No, that totally
yeah,
makes sense. Okay, that
absolutely.
makes sense. Okay, cool.
Cool. Yeah. So let me just take a look later on, and I get back to you. So I'll just post it in our channel, and when everything is okay, we can share this file with Pranav, so he can give us his expert opinion.
Right. Okay.
Yes, and see like how it goes. But I guess the best way is to run the model because humans are not the best evaluation, say, tool. I mean,
Right.
always. I mean, machines doing better.
Right.
And I know Pranav is a beast, so he knows everything. But nowadays, mm,
Right.
machines doing better, like almost all of it.
Right, right, right.
Okay,
Yeah, that's it.
yeah.
I really didn't want to take up too much of your time. I just wanted to know what you were working on and if there's anything I can help with.
Okay, yeah, I'll let you know. Absolutely.
Okay. Thanks, Andre.
Thank you, Vanessa. Bye bye.
Bye.